Buenos tardes, guys. Picking up a few words in Spanish and trying to learn it here. We're just gonna do a little walk and talk. We're gonna leave our villa and we're gonna go take a dip in the pool here. And, I got myself a lime tree and a basil plant just the other day, so I gotta get them transplanted. We'll head in Monday and pick up pots. We're gonna go to a nursery, and Jen wants to get an avocado tree. So we'll do that on Monday quickly. So we'll just go for a walk over to the pool, kind of show you around the grounds a little tiny bit. So this is our tiny little yard, which is nice. It's perfect. I get up in the morning and Cece just comes out the door there, hops off and does his business right back to the couch. And it's all fenced off here. And everybody in this complex has dogs. So if you hear, oh, there's a lizard right there. He was there the other day. Oh, there he goes. At first I thought it was a leaf because he's so dark. Yeah, well, I'm sure it's the same one. Coming. So that's our bedroom. The two bedrooms are up top there. And then that's our living room. So you got the front gate over there. And this is the second half of the complex. They only got the one half is built. So this is a common area here for outside. They got a big cooker over there, and they got a smoker over here, plus a barbecue. There's a barbecue here, there's sink over here, there's sink over there, there's a barbecue over there, plus a barbecue right here. And there's another one over there as well. And that big oven over there. So this is a common area here. And then that's the clubhouse here. The gym is upstairs. It's got a full gym up there. There's lots of equipment. Plus even a yoga room. So, and then downstairs they got a little kitchen that you can use if you want. So if you have a little party, or it's all free, you can use this as much as you want. There's free Wi-Fi over here and everything. So if you let them know that you're gonna have a little gathering or whatever, you can use this area. It's pretty quiet here. I've never really seen it. I've seen a couple of kids in the pool. One time I seen an elderly gentleman in the pool since we've been here. Other than that, it's pretty quiet. Bathrooms are over there. And that's the women's bathrooms with showers as well for the pool. So we're just gonna have a little bit of a pool day today and take care of some business after we're done. We got to get our Amazon fixed up here. So we're having a little bit of difficulty with our Amazon Prime. We got everything switched over, but our Amazon Prime didn't get switched over. So we got to work on that. And then, yeah, a little bit of stuff to take care of. But anyway, we're going to sign out and have a shower and take a dip. Take care. I just want to hop on here again and just look at this pretty bird. Don't see tropical birds like that back home. I'd start feeding them, but it'll just attract other rodents that I don't want. Because I used to feed the birds back home, but yeah. Anyway, he took off. It'll just attract rodents if I start feeding the birds. So I don't think I'll be feeding any birds here. Oh, he had something in his mouth there. Must have got himself a bug. Sorry, I should have put it like that to begin with. I don't know why when you hold your phone the other way, it doesn't make it full screen for YouTube. Only when you do it, turn it sideways. Must be a way to figure that out, how to fix that, but I think I can edit in one of my apps actually to probably fix that, but oh well. Life's good, who cares? Peace out. I'll do another little quick walk and talk here. We're just gonna head back to the villa. We'll walk around to the front this time, give it a little bit different view, check out the grounds. I'm glad we were fussy about looking at places and before we made a decision and didn't just jump on the first place that we saw. No, absolutely. Better to take your time. And really, you know, it only took us a week to find this place and get moved in. So that's not bad. I would say in total we looked at probably eight or nine places we looked at. Yeah, definitely 8 or 9. You can hear the dogs. Everybody's got dogs here. They're all kept inside though, not roaming around free. They got to be on a leash to be out here. Like this little guy. Oh yeah, they've already got the pedways going into the complexes here. Or whatever you want to call it, whenever they finish them. We've been bringing the guards at the gate gifts. The first night we were here, we brought them pizza and beer. Full pizza and a 6-pack of beer. And then I've been bringing them Coke. I got a bunch of Coke I've been taking them every time we go in and out. We'll continue to buy them gifts as time goes on. It's a good gesture, and Jen and I really like giving back. So these taller places, these taller ones, I might have mentioned, but these are apartments. So there's apartments and townhouses here. So these ones are townhouses in front of us. But in the back, there's really nothing behind them. The dog park is in the one side over here. It's underneath the parkade right there. There's a parkade there. So the dog park's in behind that. Just a small little dog park, but it's good enough for Cece. And then yeah, that's apartments there to the left. And this is us. So we're just at an outdoor market here, right in Merida. We're gonna come to these more often as the dogs allowed in here. We just had some tacos. We're gonna head out here pretty quick and do a little more shopping. I think Cece likes his new home. There's live music playing just behind the pillar right there. You can't see them, but it's live music. Shops are all around this park here. It's in a fair-sized park.
go for a walk? We've been carrying his, we got a little dish here for him. It's a kitty-shaped one, but that's all they had. The dog-shaped ones were big, so... Oh, poor little guy. I make sure we have water with us at all times. Not too bad out today. It's a little muggy. There, he's getting some water now. He's pretty good at drinking water, actually. He likes it.